My name is Tia Tatusis. I'm currently an ash and water operator here at SaskPower Station.
I'm Mike Goschalek. I am the production specialist, also known as Assistant Chief Engineer here at Queen Elizabeth.
My name is Chase McNabb. I'm currently a Process Operator 1, or also known as a turbine operator.
My name is Matt Larson. I'm an operating engineer at Poplar River Power Station outside Coronach, Saskatchewan.
So I was really interested in the trades, specifically welding, and it kind of incorporates all of the trades. We get to use a little bit of everything into power engineering.
Well, I spent some time in oil and gas and also worked at a potash mine, and I had a good friend of mine who's a power engineer, and he thought I had some skills and would be a good fit, so he encouraged me to do it, and I did.
My career journey with SaskPower started as a student, as a lot of people do. I then got the opportunity to get into the power engineering training program, and currently I just started a new position on turbine at Boundary Down.
Well, with SaskPower, there's been lots of personal and professional development opportunities that I've definitely taken advantage of. The professional development courses that helped assist me with my power engineering training, some of the physics and the math, and they just prepare you for exams at various levels. And without those courses, I absolutely would not have the certification I do in the time frame that I acquired it.
They do cover a lot of the expenses related with writing exams, not just the cost of the exam, but they'll cover hotel rooms, they'll cover mileage, meals. They'll give you days off to go write exams. They're really supportive and trying to see their employees get to their higher level of tickets.
I really love the family atmosphere as well as the work-life balance. Being able to spend time with my kids and still afford and enjoy life is a main key for me.
Mentorship has played a huge role in my development. People you work with, whether it's on the floor, in the office, in meetings, you just pick up on the things that they do well. You want to emulate those behaviors and use them in your own day-to-day work.
Quite incredible to come when you start knowing how little to now at the point where you can run this whole power plant that's got tons and tons of systems, all sorts of different pieces of equipment, all sorts of different problems I can have, and that day-to-day of dealing with problems and trying to figure out and get through them. It's a really great feeling when you go home and be like, I got through that.
Everybody has a piece of good information, whether it's the technical stuff, the more complex system, even advice in life.
The thing I find most rewarding as a power engineer, I think, is when I see previous summer students or students that went through the 5th class program get hired full-time with SaskPower. I would like to think that I had an influence in helping them get hired and also helping their decision.
So the most rewarding thing working as a power engineer for me is that I'm constantly learning. There's always something to learn. You always feel accomplished at the end of your day.
The thing that I find most rewarding as a power engineer is being able to supply power to the province.
So if you're looking to become a power engineer at SaskPower, I would tell anybody to just go for it. It's a very rewarding ticket to have. It's a lot of fun.
So advice for someone considering a career as a power engineer with SaskPower would be not to overlook the value in the training that they provide to further your career.